For the followers of Jesus, the Holy Communion, also known as the breaking of the bread, is of utmost importance. Through Jesus' self-sacrificing love, it is God's most profound gesture of mercy and intimacy with God's people. Kaya nga, bago inako ni Kristo ang kamatayan sa krus na siyang pinakahuling madugong pag-aalay sa kasaysayan ng kaligtasan, ay itinalaga niya ang banal na Eucharistia sa pag-alaala sa Kanya because it is His real presence, ang Kanyang mismong katawan at dugo. That is why the two disciples whom Jesus encountered on the road to Emmaus, which can be seen also as a road to despair, only fully recognized Jesus in the breaking of the bread. Yung pagbiyak mismo ng tinapay ang nagpanumbalik ng kanilang karanasan, hindi lang basta alaala, ng walang sukat na pagmamahal at awa ng Diyos. Thus, they immediately declared to one another, "Did not our hearts burn when He was explaining the scriptures to us?" Kaya puspos ng alab ng pag-ibig kay Kristo ay dali-dali silang bumalik sa silid kung saan naroroon ang kanilang kapwa mga alagad ni Kristo. Nawa sa bawat pagkakataon na tayo ay nagdiriwang ng banal na Eucharistia at tayo ay nagbabahagi na ng katawan at dugo ni Kristo, ay mas lalong lumalim ang ating pagkakakilanlan sa Diyos at mas tumingkad ang ating kaloobang sumunod sa kalooban ng Diyos. May we also be breads broken for others, that others may know, love, and follow Christ, who is the bread of life. If you have any other questions for me, you may send them anonymously by clicking the link on this post. Thank you.